everyone and welcome back to my channel. First off, we dive into the enigmatic world of the Vermeer T655, a machine that is more than meets the eyes. We have the ultra precise digging capabilities. This bad boy can dig with such precision that it makes brain surgeons jealous. Need to dig a trench for a pipe? No problem, the T655 will slide through the earth like a hot knife through butters, leaving behind a beautifully straight and clean-cut trench. It's like watching a skilled chef prepare a gourmet meal, but instead of food, we get perfectly excavated soil. Bon appetit, my fellow construction enthusiasts! Now, let's talk about the veritable smorgasbord of attachment. This machine of food is like a sweet army knife on steroids. With a simple switcheroo, the T655 transforms from a digging virtuoso to a bucket-wielding magician or a grappling-hook-wielding superhero. Need to move mountains or the bricks? Take the bucket and watch its ore as it devours the rubber with unmatched ferocity. Want to lift heavy object? The grappling hook attachment has got you covered. It's like having your very own construction team transformer. Autobots, roll out! But wait, there's more. The Vermeer T655 comes equipped with an advanced GPS system that would put a laser missile to shame. This machine navigates with the precision of a squirrel crossing a tightrope. It knows exactly where it's going and won't take eyeglass as an excuse. No more embarrassing situation of construction equipment wandering aimlessly, looking for its next target. The T655 is the Lewis Hamilton of construction. In conclusion, my friends, the Vermeer T655 is a marvel of engineering. It's the James Bond of excavation, the Mozart of construction, and the superhero we never knew we needed. So next time you spot these magnificent machines on a job site, give it a nod of appreciation. It's not just a machine, it's a work of art in motion. Next, ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hard hats because we are about to dive into the wacky world of the force muter A8WIM650. It's like the Terminator of the forest, the wet wrecking wizard, and the unruly tree woods nightmare. Get ready for a hilarious wild ride through the world of tree munching. Imagine this. You've got a forest so dense that even tackling it gets lost. But fear not, because the forge muter A8WIM650 is here to save the day. With its razor-sharp teeth and an appetite for timbers, this machine will chew through trees faster than a beaver on a caffeine rush. It's like a lumberjack's dream come true, minus the flannel shirt and beers competitions. And let's not forget about its power. The A8WIM650 roars through the forest with the force of a rock concert on wheels. It's unstoppable as Jackson Briner, pulverizing everything in its path. Say goodbye to slow and tedious tree felling. With this machine, it's more like a tree demolition party, where tree trembles in fear and the forest gets a much-needed makeover. Next, gather rouse, my friends, as I unveil the legendary Testmake 1475XL EVO surface miner. It's a sweet army knife of excavation, the Chuck Norris of digging, and the MacGyvers of construction machinery. This bad boy is more than just a surface miner, it's a fork to be reckoned with. Picture this, you've got a mountain standing in your way. taunting you with its sheer scythe. But fear not, because the Testmake 1475XL EVO is here to save the day. With its mighty teeth and ferocious appetite for rock, this machine will chew through the mountain faster than a kid devouring a bowl of cereal. It's like watching a buffet disappear before your very eyes, except instead of food, it's munching on rock formation like they are potato chips. But that's not all, folks. The Testmake 1475XL EVO is equipped with an array of high-tech wind-jerk drive. It's got more gadgets than a jam-bone car and more chick up its sleeve than a magic scene at a kid's birthday party. Need to take a chance? No problem. This machine will carve it out with such precision that you will think Michelangelo himself came back from the dead to lend a hand. It's like watching a master sculptor create a masterpiece, except instead of marble, it's cutting through the earth like butter. And let's not forget about its speed. The Testmake 1475XL EVO is faster than a cheetah on roller skate. It's zoomed across the job site with finishes of a race car driver, leaving dust in its wake. Say goodbye to snail-paced excavator that make you want to take a nap. This machine will have your construction project done in no time, leaving you with plenty of time to kick back and enjoy a cold beverage. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to the marvelously quirky Loveness squeak trim. It's like the sweet army knife of vegetable management, the wet whacking widget, and the unravel hedges worst nightmare. Brace yourself for a hilarious green adventures. Picture this, you've got a jungle of unruly shrub and pesky weed mocking you with their wild growth, but fear not, because the Loveness wig trim is here to save the day. With its trimmer head spinning faster than a tornado of roller skate, this machine will turn those overgrown plants into nearly trim work of art. It's like watching a hairstylist give the earth a fabulous makeover, except instead of scissors, it's using blades of steel. But wait, there's more. The Loveness wig trim comes equipped with a whole arsenal of attachment, making it the superhero of landscaping. Need to reach those stubborn branches up high? Attach the extendable arm and watch as it reaches for sky like a reserve on stilts. Want to trim hedges into intricate shape? The wig trim has got you covered. It's like Picasso with a green thumb, turning hedges into temporary masterpiece. And finally, hold on your hats, because I'm about to introduce you to the wacky wonder that is the compact top turns axe. It's like a party animal on steroids, the king of composting, and the unrivaled champion of turning pile. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of organic waste like you've never experienced before. Imagine this. You've got a massive pile of garden waste that's starting to resemble Mount Everest. Fear not, because the top turn axe is here to save the day. This machine is like the DJ at a wild party, except instead of spinning beat, it's spinning pile of organic matter into compost gold. Watch in amazement as it flips, churns, and tosses the pike like a circuit acrobat, turning it into a new cheese and rich goodness. But wait, there's more. The top turn axe is equipped with a bag of tricks that would make Houdini jealous. Need to control the temperatures of your compost? No problem, this machine has built-in sensors that can adjust the airflow and moisture level, creating the perfect environment for your pie to break down. It's like having a composting mastermind at your service, making sure your organic waste is transformed into black gold. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. Goodbye!